NFTs, why are they so popular? Why would someone pay so much money for essentially an image? Here's why NFTs are so valuable. Why are NFTs so valuable? Think about it this way. So I actually have a piece of artwork here in my office that Benjamin Bishop, shout out to Benjamin if he ever watches this, painted for me. I paid him X amount of dollars. It was a very customized piece that he made me, right? Realistically, could I buy paint and draw my logo on there? Sure, I could have did it myself, but I'm not going to do it the exact way he would do it because he's more of that artist. I'm not on his level as far as making these abstract pieces and things of that nature. So why are these NFTs so valuable? Well, NFTs are so valuable because they're essentially digital art that cannot be replicated, right? So think about these crypto coins. Like, why was crypto and still is so valuable? Well, because they cannot be replicated. There's only so much of them, and people cannot just replicate them. Unless someone steals your computer, steals your account, steals your info, they cannot be replicated. So NFTs are the same thing. They're literally virtual art. For example, there's a guy named Biahez on YouTube. Young guy, has got a huge following. He made an NFT on a platform, paid some dude X amount of dollars. He ended up selling his NFT, I think, for 15 grand. 15 grand. Would you spend 15 grand for, it was like a picture of a wolf cartoon character. But here's what's interesting. Whoever bought his NFT, if Biahez gets really, really popular in years to come and has more followers, how much more valuable is that piece going to be? Think of it like a signature. Why is a signature so valuable? Kobe Bryant, rest in peace, he passed away, right? His signatures are more valuable, right? Because he didn't always sign. And I mean, a signature at the end of the day, I can scribble too, but not that exact signature by that exact person in that exact way. So that's what NFTs are. They're literally virtual signatures that cannot be replicated. And they're valuable because they're like pieces of art. So my camera guy was asking me, but can't someone just take a picture of it online? Well, sure, think of the Mona Lisa. We all know what that ugly picture looks like. We all know what Picasso's paintings look like. I can print a picture of Picasso right now online, frame it, but it's not that original piece. That original piece is worth millions, whereas my printed copy might be worth 20 cents, right? So again, when you think of NFTs, think of original artwork in the digital realm, and it's valuable because again, you're buying an original piece that cannot be essentially, for now, unless hackers figure it out, cannot be replicated, right? So you're literally playing for virtual art, and you're paying for this in the virtual world, and it can't be replicated. And that's why it's so valuable. So is it crazy? Yeah, but nothing makes sense anymore. People will say, oh, well, crypto's not real money. Yeah, but our money's not real anyways. They just printed 35% of our money in the last year. Think about that. All the money in the US that's ever existed, if I'm not mistaken, it was like 33 to 35% has been made in the last year. So what does that mean? It means our money's not backed by anything. It's not really real. They can print it on a machine and dish it into an economy. So what's the difference of that and this virtual money? It's not, none of it's really real. Nothing. I just made some payments today, all on a card. Some numbers were taken out of my account. What does that mean? It's not really, nothing's really real like we used to think of it. It's not like the old days where here's your dollar, here's your piece of pie. It's now here's a credit, here's some virtual money that's created out of nothing that is backed by. So again, hey guys, I don't make the rules. This is just the way it is. So are NFTs good investments? They can be if you buy the right pieces, and that's what I think. But guys, please like and subscribe. And if I get enough subscribers, maybe I'll make an NFT. Who knows? But hey, we hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much.
Wants you to succeed and will continue to bring you unconventional money-making content for free. Leave a comment below, a like, and if you would, subscribe for more money-making tips. Also, take this opportunity for an amazing offer from Webull. 2 free stocks worth up to $1,800. See the link in the description below. They even give Ram a free stock. Everybody wins.